Today I'm gonna share with you guys the problem I have on this truck. It's 2005 Suburban, Chevy Suburban 1500. I come in the shop to do the brake service, so the brake line is rust. I replace all, and I leave the truck running. The truck shut up itself. It don't start no more. It's crank, but don't start. So I check everything, the fuse, relay, everything, the fuel pump, everything worked fine. So right now, the next step I'm going to is the crank. The crank sensor is located to behind to the starter, so I need to remove the starter and replace it. I'll show you guys when remove the starter. Okay, to remove the starter, you're gonna need the 13mm socket and the right. And then I'm gonna remove two bolts. I'm gonna remove this one here and this one to remove the starter. And it's located on the front passenger side to your truck. So when you remove the starter, okay, I'm gonna zoom in. You guys see this is, so it's right there. Okay, to remove it, since you're gonna need this 10mm socket, the long extension. So that's the passenger side rim. We're gonna use this side here. And to remove the sensor to the block, you're gonna need a big plier like this. Better heat a little bit just to okay, now you're gonna twist it. So I'm not able to twist on this side. I'm gonna use the plier. Twist it now. careful and just go gently so you don't break inside to the block. If you break inside the block, it's gonna be a headache to remove the piece. So just go gently. Okay, it's out. Right. Okay, I'm just gonna grab. Let it fell. I don't want it on top of my head, but my hand don't fit on that. So just go gently, side by side, so you're not breaking. So if you can fit your hand on the top, it's gonna be easy to remove. Okay, take it. Okay, it's right here. This is the crankshaft resistance. So I'm gonna put a new one. Okay, it's the new one. Part number. Brand new. So I'm not gonna show you guys how to install back because it's same process you take out, same process you're gonna put on back on. Okay, so please subscribe and give it a like so I can make more videos for you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.